What's good, my fellow YouTubers, my traders? It's another good day. Today is Wednesday, October the 18th, and this is 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m. Well, I want to give an update of what's going on in the market, and today is going to be like more of a reflect on how traders or how intermediate traders behave. Like I told you, most of the trades in we'll be making will be basically on psychological and technical analysis. And the psychological, I'll be making more apart from the technical analysis. I will also be shedding more light on the psychological. So this video is going to be not on trading for today, but it's going to be like more like a heart to heart, gist on how traders behave when they make little gains, and how they probably or most of the time end up blowing an account. Uh, Probably most of the time, should I say, out of over excitement that, oh, they were being able to make this little amount of money. We If they do more, they do more, or they'll be able to get more in time, make fast money, and in the process they end up blowing their accounts. So today is going to be more like a reflect. So like I said, uh, I'm more of an intermediate trader, and today I'll be sharing light on what happened on my accounts. Like I made mention from the from the onset, on what this channel will be. It's going to be basically us trying to flip this account from $1 to $52,000. And in our first trade, we were able to flip to trade the $1.66 to $20 on just one trade, having two positions. And yeah, this happened. I blew the account. Yeah, it happened. I blew the account, and I'll explain what happened, uh, why it happened, and it's something that happens on a daily basis with the 99 or 95% of traders. So, in our last video, I showed you just one trade I made, trading $1 to $20, and yada yada yada. It was all fun and excitement. uh I was trying to, or I yes should I say I was trying to, or I should, it was not intentional. Well, I was supposed to stick with the plan, which I didn't, and now the account is blown. So for your information, I also did a made withdrawal of about $10, you know $10 for my own self. Yeah. But yeah, that's what it is. It is what it is. That's what it is. We'll be trying to, we'll start this challenge over again. That's basically what it's going to be. We'll be crediting this account with $1. As you can see, it's my live account. It's it's my live account. Yeah. So going back to analysis, you can see from on the 30 minutes, or should I say on the 1 hour time frame, I made mention of how the market was going to move, or I made an analysis of how the market was going to move in my last video. This was where we took the trade where I traded $1 to $20. We cut this whole move from this point right here down to, from that's 10,500. Yes, from here 10,500 down to 9,500, right? And that was about 100 pip, two positions. So that we were able to flip that account up to $20. And I also made mention of uh, hitting this support zone. Yeah, this support zone around 9,300. if you let's go to the 4 hour time frame so we need to see clearly, or rather no, the daily time frame. Yeah, you can see this part here, this support zone here, that's about 9,300. You can see, and it made the market made a retracement, or it's responded to the support zone, and it retraced, giving us this from this point here, this 9,380 or so. It made this retracement, coming to into this other block here. Let me show you the other block on the, I think, 15 minutes time frame. Yes, on the 15 minute. Yeah, this is it here. This other block right here. This other block right here. It came into this zone. Tested this other block. Yeah, you can see hitting this 200 moving average, responding to it since we're in a downtrend, hitting it and then making a further pushback. So in our last video, I made mention of this, but I missed the trade. So in the process of entering the market, trying to rush into the market, so I don't miss the catch, I blew the account in the process. If you look on the 4 hour time frame here, it made the retracement gave room for this price action. You see this three line strike here, where we have one, two, this bull run having three candles up, and then an engulfing candle covering about half of this bull run here up to this point. So technically, if I was not trying to play smart, I would have entered this trade, our next trade, at this 9,780, and catch another at least 500 to, like, if 500 to 800, okay, that's sorry, 50 to 80 pips, opening another two positions, and that would have grown the account from $20 to let's say if you had 80 pips, and that would be like $8 times 2, that's 16, and we'll be having at least $36 right now. But yeah, trading psychology, um it plays a very big part. And if we are not being patient with the market, if we are trying to catch quick pips, or trying to catch uh, because I said the trade was, I made my analysis that trade was coming into this zone, and then I tried entering into the market from somewhere around here, to catch this move. And that's one thing I also want to make mention of. Well, the market is very dynamic and it moves in different ways. Nevertheless, there are rules. No matter the kind of manipulation that might be played in the market, there are rules the market must obey, or the market structures obey. There are principles that guides the market, and that's why it moves the way it moves. So no matter the kind of manipulation we are looking into in the market, there are things that these market movers or market makers, their rules they obey, or their principles that guide their actions or whatever they do. So if um, if we look deep into it, we'll see that this was another trading opportunity. This trend line strike will have caught another move from, would have waited for the market to or would have entered the market somewhere from in here. But I wasn't sure of taking this trade from the top of after this place here, because I was looking at something here in this 15 minutes time frame after this break of structure here, where it broke this higher low here. I was expecting the market hitting this zone and then probably coming to enter this other block here in this 5 minute time frame. Let me show you here. Yeah, this other block here. So after hitting here, making this double bottom, then equal highs and equal lows, then pushing back here. This was where I was waiting for the market to come into this zone at 900, to enter the market again, and then pushing down. But it never did, so we missed this trade. And in the process of not trying to miss out, Um, I think I entered the market somewhere around here, and then, you know, the market did what he wanted to do. After this consolidation, I entered somewhere around this where it consolidated down to this part here, and then the market moved against me. So these are kind of things where we ought to consider in when it comes to trading. We must learn to keep our emotions out of trading. Once we miss zones or points or our POIs where we have made analysis to enter the trade, we shouldn't, out of emotions or out of anxiety, oh, we are missing this market. The market moves in thousands of pips every day or in a couple of days. You know, so there are many opportunities to enter the market, many real opportunities. We don't have to jump in at every goal, so we don't get caught in traps, liquidity sweeps and all of those mind games the market makers play with us. You know, the down we the traders in the like down part of the food chain. So this this video is just more like a reflect on how far this account is going, or how far our challenge is going. We'll be making another credit of $1, and we'll see how we go from there. So many of you have been asking the question, why did I post this video? Like I said, this channel will be a true replica of how average traders trade, and how we average traders can improve on our trades. So this is a typical thing, or a typical thing average trader do. An average trader does on daily basis. They jump in at every goal because they feel, oh, they are missing this trade. This move is catching on. Like, I made an analysis from this point up here where we had this SF, this 500 that we were going to hit 9900 99000. That's a very huge support level on the weekly time frame. You can see this candle moving. I also looked at this this point of interest, this POI. I have a POI that I made analysis of here around 800 to at least 500 to 800. Will be forming an order block at this point, and then pushing up from there upwards into this zone here before making a huge move down. That has been my anticipation that the markets that's been my anticipation, or that's what I'm looking into, or that's what I'm hoping happens. But nevertheless, the market is very dynamic. We must learn to flow with the market. When we mean flow with the market, we can anticipate for the market to make some kind of moves, and it doesn't turn out to be. So that's why we don't predict the market. We only anticipate the market. The market is very dynamic. And that's why as traders we must learn to keep open minds and not a rigid mind when it comes to trading. We might make analysis, and the market might have some different opinion on how it's going to move. So for now, we are still on this uh, anticipated move. We are coming to hit 9900. Make some pullbacks. Let me come to this and daily time frame here. So this is what I'm looking at. We are coming to hit 900. Yeah, we are almost there, or coming to hit 8500. This zone here, hitting this 200 moving average. Pulling back, hitting this like more like a break and retest of this channel here before making any push down to 800. Yeah, this support level here. Then probably we see if the market forms other block or it pushed further, you know into into the if it will probably break through this support zone into the next support zone. Let's see, like maybe this let me don't say too much. Let's just watch and see what the market does. That's what I'm anticipating for, hitting this zone, then pulling back, entering into this market, entering into this channel back. If you look at this 1 hour time frame, on this 1 hour time frame, I'm still having hopes that this market pulls into this channel and comes to this other block has been mitigated. Actually, there's something I'm looking for, right? Well, I won't say too much for now. I'm still looking at the market. Yes, on this 4 hour time frame, this is another other block right here. This three line strike, this is another other block right here. So we're looking, if it hits the 900 or towards 8500, it makes a pushback, does its SMC moves, and come back to this other block right here at 1000 before making push down to 800. Otherwise, let's see what the market does. So if you like the content, if you want to see more of such videos, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, share, comment, give your thoughts. Peace out, and see you on the next video.